Hey guys, what's going on today? Today we're going to be opening up a shiny Rayquaza EX box. It comes with 4 packs including Breakthrough, Primal Crash, Roaring Skies, and Ancient Origins. In this awesome Rayquaza EX promo, and an even bigger Rayquaza EX promo. And even better, the box is upside down. So I couldn't not get this. It was just so awesome. So let's just pop right into this. Hopefully we can get a EX or something really good, because I have not been getting the greatest pulls lately. Alright, so let's just get out these packs. Ancient Origins, Roaring Skies, Breakthrough, alright guys, so we got the big Rayquaza EX, which we'll put right here, and the little one, we'll put this off to the side. So let's just get into these packs. Starting off with Primal Clash. So we start out with a Horsey, a Bidoof, Meditite, Lotad, Bunnelby, Vibro, a Rare Candy, that's a good card, Fluffluent, a Hollow Electrike, and a full art Groudon EX. Would you look at that? Wow, that is beautiful. Just put that right here. Next pack is going to be Breakthrough. This is one of my favorite packs right now. Just love the Mewtwo's you can get in it. Let's see what we get in this one. A Panpour, Froakie, Bronzor, a Chespin, Piplup, Heavy Boots, Fisherman, a Stunfisk, the super sad Cubone art, and a Florges. Let's get in this Ancient Origins. Got a Wooper, a Beldum, Spinarak, Magikarp, a Goomy, a Special Energy, a Sableye, Lucky Helmet, a Reverse Porygon, and a Hollow Jolteon. Now, can we maybe get a full art Shaman from this? Is it possible to get 2 full arts from one box? Maybe? Can Arceus pull through? Uh-oh. That looks like an error pack right there. Fletchling, Bagon, Electrike, Tailo, Execute, Shelgon, Revive, Pelipper, Reverse Meowth, and a Reshiram Hollow. Alright guys, so we pulled a Hollow Jolteon, a Hollow Reshiram, this full art Groudon EX, and the promo. So if you guys liked, leave a like below. If you like to also subscribe, and comment if you have any suggestions for what we should do. See you guys.